Hi, I'm Tammy. So today I'm going to make a drink that is delicious. Guys, you're going to make this for your wives, your girlfriends, your fiancés. They're going to love it. You can drink it too, but it's really for them, okay? So this is St-Germain. You are going to take this and you're going to make this, and they are going to love you for it, right? So take this. You're going to do about a couple shots in here. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Then you're going to take either champagne, Prosecco, a white wine. I got Pinot Grigio, and it's just what I have today. So I'm going to take some Pinot Grigio, and I'm going to do about equal parts. Then you're just going to take some seltzer water, some whatever. I just have some club soda, okay? And you're just going to do a little splash of that, a little bit more because I want it to look pretty. That's it. Super easy. St-Germain is an elderflower liqueur. It is delicious. I was reading today that bartenders think of it as a staple, like ketchup. So think of it as a staple in your bar. You can use it in all kinds of things. I'll use it in more stuff later, okay? So now I'm just going to garnish this with just a lemon peel. All right, I'm just going to kind of squeeze this in, put that in. And this just puts a nice fragrance to it, and it also looks pretty. I'm going to stir that in, let it float. There you go. By the way, this is my all-time favorite drink. I love this. It is so delicious. So now I get to taste it. It's the best part ever. Actually, I'm not going to just taste it. I'm going to down this whole thing in like 5 minutes after I get done with this because it is my favorite drink. Cheers! Thanks for watching.